He knows this space intimately. He knows what it's like to come in and have dinner at every table in this restaurant. He knows that he can create a magical experience here in this location that you cannot replicate anywhere else in the world.
The full circle part about it is, you know, I'm at a point right now where I do want to spend a lot more time in one restaurant. What better one for me to do it at than here?
It's not about doing the same thing again. It's about coming full circle for this space in 2010. And not what it was necessarily back then, but knowing that it was so great back then that you can take those pieces, combine it with everything he's learned over the last 20 years, and make it untouchable.
You know, really, I'm most excited about giving Michael what he wants, about letting his, you know, his dreams come full circle. It's a great feeling of achievement for him, and now he's come back with his name on the door, and I think it's awesome. So I'm happy to see that come to fruition for Michael.
I want to bring the magic back.